Hey everyone, welcome back to Pably. My name is Akib Javed and here I explain to you some automation techniques by which you can do your business efficiently and hassle-free. And in this video, I would like to show you a process by which any teacher who is running any online course can get the answers submitted by the students from the course running application automatically onto their Slack channel. Okay? So you might ask, why would any teacher need this automation? Let me tell you. Suppose that there is a teacher who is running any course here on Heights platform. So we have taken the example of Heights platform. They can use any other course hosting application as well. And what generally they do, they put some questionnaires in between the lessons of their courses to know that how much their students are actually learning from their courses. Okay? But the issue here is they can have hundreds or even thousands of students enrolled in such courses. So manually checking for the answers from the dashboard of applications like Height can be very problematic and difficult for them. So I have a solution for this problem here. Let me show you. So by the process, I am going to tell you what can happen whenever the student submits the answers in platforms like Heights. The answers get automatically transferred here on the Slack channel of the teachers and they can see the answers here, or they can have a team who can review the answers here from the Slack channel. Yes guys, this can happen, and to make this happen I am using an application here called as Pably Connect. So guys, Pably Connect is an automation and integration software, and what it will do, it will connect these two applications together such that whenever the student submits the answers will get automatically transferred here onto the Slack channel as a message. And guys, the best part of making this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So any non-technical person can also make this automation. So now let me show you the process by which you can also make this automation on my computer screen.
So guys, this is my computer screen and I'm in my Heights application dashboard, you can see. And we have created this course here, core PHP programming course. And we have many students enrolled in this course. And there is a lesson in this course, okay? So when any student completes the lesson, he will find this question, okay, about this lesson. And they have to answer this question, okay? So when they answer this question and submit the answer here in Heights platform, the tutor present here in Slack channel get this kind of message. Okay, you can see, dear tutor, your student Kanhaiya Kumar has submitted his answer on what is function of lesson 1. His answer is this functions, okay, and this is the student's email ID. So this is a kind of message the tutor will receive about any answer submission in here Heights platform here, okay. So let me show you how it is going to happen automatically and how you can make this automation. So to start creating the automation, you have to reach the dashboard of Pably Connect first. Okay. So you can reach here by signing in into your Pably Connect's account, and to create your account, you have to reach here on pably.com/connect, and from this page, you can set up your free Pably Connect trial account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button. And when you sign in, you will reach this page, and from this page click here on access now button and you will reach the dashboard of Pably Connect like this. Okay, so here you have to create workflows. Okay, so these are the automation workflows. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So I have filled the name as Heights Platform Answers on Slack channel. Okay, after this, click on create here and you will see your workflow getting created like this. And here you will find these two things first, the trigger and the action. Okay, so Pably Connect work on these things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pably Connect do this. All right. As in our use case, the trigger would be a new answer submitted on Heights platform, and the action, which is the response to this trigger, would be to send the same answer along with a message on Slack channel. Okay, so first of all, you have to click here on this trigger window, and here we are going to select our trigger application, which is Heights platform. Okay, This is Heights platform. So here in this trigger event, you have to select new answer posted option. Okay. After that, you have to click on this connect button. And from this window, you have to select add new connection option. And then it will ask for these things, the API key token and the subdomain's name. So you'll find the subdomain's name when you open your Heights applications dashboard. And here you will find this subdomain in this URL you can see above. Okay. So after this HTTP / you will find your subdomain's name. Our subdomain's name is pabblyconnect.heightsplatform.com. So Pabbly Connect is the subdomain. Copy this and paste it here in the subdomain name. And to find the API token, you have to go to account settings of Heights platform. Let me show you. So in Heights platform, you have to click here on this hamburger type icon. Here you will find this account settings. Click on it. And here you will find this API key. Just copy it like this. Okay, and paste it here in this token field like this. After this, click on save. And you can see connected is showing up here. That means we are connected with Heights platform. Now click here on save and send test request. Okay. And you can see it started showing waiting for the response. So this means we have to do a test submission now. Okay. So we are going to submit another answer as a test submission so that we can capture the date of that answer here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. So I will log in on the behalf of any student from any student we have here in Heights application. Okay. So I am logged in into the account of this student named as Zubair Hassan. Okay. And I'm going to open this course here. Okay. And in this lesson 1, you will see a question. Okay. So I'm going to submit an answer on the behalf of the student. Okay. Okay, so I have written a small answer here and now I am submitting this answer. Okay, so you can see you have answered this question. So the answer is submitted here. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we have captured the data of this answer submission. So you can see the answer submissions data is here. The name of the student, the email ID of the student, the answer of the student, and the question and the lesson. Okay. Now we want to send this data as a channel message in Slack. What you have to do, click on this action window and select your action application, which is Slack. Okay, this one. Then select the action event as send channel message. Let me show you. Send channel message without image. Okay. Then click on this connect button. And from this window, select add new connection and then click on connect with Slack. Okay. And it will ask for this token type. So here you have to give a token type to make a connection with Slack. So either you can use the token as user or bot. So you can see, you can know more about the tokens from here. If you enter user here, it will give you different permissions. If you give bot here, it will give you different permissions. So you can see the permissions here from this page. You can see with the token type as user, you will have all these following permissions. And with the token type as bot, you will have these permissions. So here I'm going to use the user as token. I'm putting user here. Okay. And submitting. And it will bring you to this okay, so this window. So if you're not logged in Slack, it will bring you to the login window of Slack. As I have already logged in Slack, so it is just asking for the required access to send the message. So just click on allow here. And you will see that we are going to connect. Okay, so authorization is successful and we are connected with Slack channel as well. Now it is asking for the channel's name. So in Slack, let me show you. I have this channel, text channel, Heights platform, and all these channels I have. So I'm going to select this channel from Pabbly Connect. Okay. So in the channel field, you will find all the channels you have in Slack. And here I'm going to find my channel, which is this Heights platform. Okay. and in the message type I'm selecting plain text only. And here in the message field you can write the message that you want to send to Slack. Okay, so let me type the message here. So you can see I have written this kind of message: dear tutor, your student dash has submitted the answer of the question dash of lesson 1. The answer is this dash. Okay, so here between these things I am going to map the details of these things: the student's name, the answer of the question, and I am going to map the details that I got from this first step. Okay, so when you map the details like I'm going to do, what will happen whenever you got a new answers data here in Heights, the data will be captured automatically by Pabbly Connect and will be filled here in this format of the message automatically and delivered to Slack. Okay, so let me fill the details. So click here on this field and you will find this Heights platform option, and when you click on it you will find all the details that you captured here in first tab like this. Okay, so you will find the same details here. So first of all, let me map the student's name. Okay, your student Zubair Hassan has submitted the answer of the question. Here I am going to map the question. Okay, this is the question and the answer is here. I am going to map the answer. This is the answer, and here I'm going to map the student's email ID. Right now we have completed the framing the message. Now it is asking for the bot's name who is going to deliver the message here in Slack. So you can give the bot name as Heights bot or whatever you want to give the name, you can give the name. And in the bot's icon you can enter a URL of any photo. So to give a photo or icon to a bot, for now I'm leaving it blank, it is not compulsory. And now I'm going to click here on save and send test request, and you will see this message is going to be delivered here in our Slack channel. Okay, so let me just click here on save and send test request, and you can see it is showing this kind of response here. Let's see if we receive something on Slack channel. Okay, so you can see the message is this: dear tutor, your student Zubair Hassan has submitted the answer of the question and all the details that I have actually written here in Pabbly Connect in the message field. Right? Okay, so our connection with Slack is working fine. And let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. First of all, in this trigger window, I connected Heights platform. Okay, then we captured the data of a test submission. Okay, like this. After this, in this actions tab, I connected Slack and I selected the channel, the message type, and I framed the message here, mapped the details, and just clicked here on save and send test request, and you have seen that we got the message here. Now you just have to click on save and your workflow is completed. And what will happen in real time, whenever now after making this automation, whenever any student of yours submits the answer in Heights application, you will receive this kind of message. Okay, so and we are also going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect trial account and start running this automation instantly. Bye guys.
So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.